Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and delve into the latest stories and discoveries that shape our understanding of the planet. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share with you some fascinating tales from the world of conservation, ecology, and wildlife. Today, we're taking a journey to two unique destinations: the rainforests of Papua New Guinea and the wetlands of Bangladesh. In Papua New Guinea, researchers have been studying the impact of forest fragmentation on bird species, and their findings are quite remarkable. It appears that while primary rainforests are still home to a diverse range of bird species, secondary rainforests are also thriving, with some areas even supporting higher densities of birds than their primary counterparts. The study, published in the Journal of Applied Ecology, highlights the importance of preserving not just primary forests, but also secondary and human-modified landscapes, as these areas can still provide vital habitat for a wide range of species. This is especially significant in Papua New Guinea, where lowland rainforests are under threat from deforestation and habitat degradation. Meanwhile, in Bangladesh, conservation efforts are underway to protect some of the country's most endangered plant species. The government has initiated a program to revive 5 critically endangered species, including 2 rare orchids found only in the Sundarbans wetland. These plants are not just unique and fascinating, they also play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. The conservation project involves growing seedlings in nurseries before transplanting them into suitable habitats. It's a painstaking process, but one that could make all the difference for these threatened species. As we continue to face the challenges of climate change, habitat destruction, and biodiversity loss, stories like these remind us of the importance of preserving our natural world. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. We're glad you're joining us again as we explore the fascinating world of wildlife and conservation. In our previous segment, we delved into the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Now, let's take a journey to the shores of Sri Lanka, where a dedicated group of birders is working to uncover the secrets of seabirds. Seabirds, as you might know, are birds that have adapted to life in the marine environment, spending most of their time at sea and only coming ashore to breed. With over 60 species recorded in Sri Lankan waters, these birds are a vital part of the country's ecosystem. However, despite their importance, seabirds remain a relatively understudied group, with many of their habits and migration patterns still shrouded in mystery. Thanks to the efforts of passionate birders like Lester Pereira and Rex da Silva, we're slowly uncovering more about these incredible creatures. From the Arctic tern, which makes the longest migration of any bird, traveling over 80,000 kilometers each year, to the grey-headed albatross, which has been spotted in Sri Lankan waters, these birds are truly remarkable. But seabirds face numerous threats, including getting caught as bycatch in commercial fisheries, ingesting plastic debris, and coping with the impacts of climate change. It's essential that we raise awareness about these challenges and work towards conserving seabird populations and their habitats. As we celebrate World Seabird Day on July 3rd, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and resilience of these birds. By supporting conservation efforts and reducing our impact on the environment, we can help ensure the long-term survival of seabirds and the ecosystems they inhabit. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. We're glad you're joining us again as we explore the fascinating stories of the natural world. As we wrap up today's show, I want to share with you a remarkable discovery that's been making waves in the scientific community. You might have heard about it, but if not, get ready to be amazed. Scientists have recently uncovered the secret behind pythons' incredible ability to digest bones. Yes, you heard that right, bones. It turns out that these snakes have specialized cells in their digestive system that allow them to break down and dissolve the skeletons of their prey. This unique mechanism has been found not only in pythons, but also in other species of snakes, like boas, and even in the Gila monster, a venomous lizard native to the southwestern United States. But how does it work? Well, researchers have identified a specific type of cell that plays a crucial role in this process. These cells, found in the snake's digestive tract, are capable of producing large particles made of calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals. These particles then help to break down the bones of the prey, allowing the snake to absorb the nutrients it needs. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of the biology of these animals and how they interact with their environment. It also raises interesting questions about the evolution of this unique trait and whether similar mechanisms might exist in other bone-eating predators, like sharks or birds of prey. As we conclude today's nature walk, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and awe for the incredible diversity and complexity of life on our planet. From the tiniest microbe to the largest predator, every species has evolved remarkable strategies to survive and thrive in its environment. That's all for today's nature walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.